Kali ini saya dengan Chief of Army dari Thailand menandatangani Fourth Implementing Arrangement atau pengaturan tentang implementasi kerjasama antara Angkatan Darat Indonesia dengan Angkatan Darat Thailand yang keempat. Artinya kerjasama ini baik dalam hal pendidikan, latihan, pertukaran kunjungan seperti ini, saya juga sudah ke sana. Ini dalam rangka mempererat hubungan, kita saling belajar satu sama lain, segala macam. Dan karena kebetulan Aceh secara geografis itu juga termasuk paling dekat dengan Thailand, maka Jenderal Apirat sengaja untuk datang ke sini dalam rangka untuk mengenal lebih dekat Aceh, termasuk dengan segala dinamika yang ada di sini. Kemudian beliau juga ketemu dengan Pak Wali Nanggro dalam konteks untuk ingin sharing sehingga mungkin ada yang berguna untuk diterapkan di Thailand.
We would like to study and from the lesson learned in Aceh, that how Aceh is a peaceful city now, after 30 years, and after tsunami, okay? But now you can see, I can see from my eyes, I can see, from the way from the airport to here, I can see everything very civilization, very developing, the building, the people, everybody smile, and they understand each other. It's a peaceful island, So what's bring the peace? It's not about the religion, it's not about who you are, but it's about understanding. We have to understanding, even in Thailand, in three south province of in Thailand, that you already know that we have the conflict in, the Aceh and the three provinces down south in Thailand is have a kind of a similarity, religion, the culture, even just I just know that about the white elephant here in Aceh. Yeah, we also have it in Thailand, and so, but in Thailand, in three provinces, I don't know why still have the conflict for some group of the people. They have the freedom, for religion. They have the freedom for election. They can elect. They can choose the leader, by themselves, because they are the Thai citizen under our constitution. It's the same here. Aceh is under Indonesian constitution. Okay, they all have a freedom, but just some, I don't know how to say, but some represented, for the people. But we learn a lot, and more than that, we have the minute meeting for exchange more the intelligence and try to keep more cooperation, for fugitive groups or person that are crossing, the border, for both country, and many things in the minute meeting that we already signed. But don't want to say more than that. Something is between army and army. But today I would like to thank you, the chief of the army, of Indonesian army, and also
Wali
yes.
Wali Nanggro.
That I learned a lot from him, and it's my great honor to get to know him. And when I come back to my country, we can have the another level for the army region level, to meet each other and exchange the information, intelligence, and also the working group.